Hello everyone and welcome to Leetcode 58, length of last word. Here we're given a string s consisting of words and spaces, and we have to return the length of the last word. So in this example we have hello world, which has two words, hello and world, and all we have to do is return the length of the last word, which is obviously world, and so the output is 5. The trickiest that this question can get is by adding a few spaces here and there. And here the last word is still moon, even though the space is after it. The last word is moon and its length is 4, so we have to output 4. So there's multiple ways to solve this. Of course you could just iterate through the list and keep track of the current word's length, so it would be 3, 2, 2, 3 and 4, and then we could finally end at 4. But I want to use a built-in function. Now in general I wouldn't encourage you to use built-in functions, but I just wanted to show it because a one-line solution is pretty cool. So the function I'm talking about is split. Now essentially what split does is it takes a string and creates a list with every word in the string. So here hello and world would be the two elements. I'm just gonna write H and W, but these two would be the two elements of our list. And the cool thing about this function is that it ignores all spaces. So just like in this example and this example, we won't have to, consider any of the spaces in our solution. Now I think the next step after splitting is pretty obvious. We just have to take the last word in the string, which would just be the minus 1th index of the list, and then we'd have to return the length. So let's go code up the solution. And now to show how split actually works, let's just create a list. Say list1 equals 2. Now we have to use the split function. So since s is the string given to us, we're going to write s dot split and then just leave the brackets as is. So now what we'd get list1 as would be hello comma world. And all we have to do now is assign an element. Say e is equal to list1, and then we take the minus 1th index, right? So in this case it will be world, and in this case it will be moon. Once we take the last index, all we have to do is return the length of e, and the solution should work. There we go. Now the funny thing is these three lines can be compressed into one line of code. So let's just replace e as list minus 1, len of list minus 1, and let's replace list with split. So there we have it. That should be it. There we go. Let's just submit the solution, and it's correct. Thank you so much for watching.